Hey guys, the Happy Cultivator here again, Urban Gardener. And today we're going to be unboxing the radio control tractor front loader from Top Race. So what I have here is the tractor front loader from Top Race. It is a 6-channel, fully functional front loader tractor, 1/18 scale. This tractor is a 2.4 gigahertz. It has the intelligent USB charging cable battery set. So it comes boxed, pretty cool display. So it'd be pretty nice to just put on a shelf, but what's the point of keeping them on the shelf, right? It comes factory sealed with one of their, high security Scotch tape seals. So we'll go ahead and open her up here and see what's inside. Got all 3 pieces of Scotch tape undone there, so let's open her up. Looks very similar packaging to the Gnome. So there she is in the box with the little display there. You can see that the controller is secured to the box with a couple of screws. And now let's see how the front loader itself is secured into the box. When we pull that up, we see instruction manual. Okay, so I have the controller unscrewed and out of the box. Now let me unscrew the front loader from the box. Okay, I've got it unscrewed. Now let's take this loader out here. It's a die-cast metal bucket. It seems to be made of some fairly high-quality plastics. It does have rubber tires. And the cabin is die-cast as well. So that's pretty nice. You turn it over, and that's where the battery goes in. You have to unscrew it right there. And when we come over here, you can see the on-off switch. It does run on a tank-style driving system where it's a 2-stick system. And each stick controls either side of the vehicle. That's the way the dump truck from Gnome works as well. But it's not bad. I really like it. We'll get all these construction toys up and going together, and I'll show you how they work together. So now let's put this aside, and I believe we have one more thing to do, and that's open up this little box right here where I believe the charger and the battery lies. Yes, right behind there is the battery and the charger in this little box right here. So let me grab it out. All right, so we got the little white box here, mystery box. Not really a mystery. I know it's the battery and the charger. Yep, there you go. Battery and charger. There's their little intelligent charger you can plug into your computer. And the way most of these work is it has a red light that comes on when it's charging, and when it's charged, they go off. Here we have a 400 milliamp, 4.8 volts, AA NiCad. So here are the instructions and the number for sales here in the USA. There you have it, guys. There is your unboxing of the Top Race tractor front loader, 6-channel fully functional front loader tractor. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.